only a couple more minutes to go until I think we're being moved. And, well, today's the big day, the court. Now, I feel I can get away with this. I've got a pretty good lawyer, to be fair. They're not the top of the top, but they're definitely one of the better lawyers that you can hire in the county. So I have a good faith in them to, well, be able to either reduce my sentence or get me out of this completely. I was on low enough charges that I think it's possible. Gonna try and impress the witnesses and the jury here today, and we'll see. We'll see. I think they're just moving some people now. Yep, as usual. Turn around, get the handcuffs on, then we'll get moving. Ah, feels good to be out of the cell. I do hear the rain on the roof, but at least we can get outside in sorts. In a prison van. It's getting outside, sort of. We get to see the outside world for the first time in a couple of days. Thank you, officers. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so loading in with another one of the inmates here now. So I think there's 3 of us. One, myself, and then I can see another inmate in the other holding cell over there. So 3 of us being transported down to the courthouse today, all on lower charges. So I don't know. I think there is a big possibility of us all getting off. I don't know what they're in for exactly. I haven't actually talked to them, so I'm not sure what they're in for. But my charges were damage to public property, which I guess is a bit of a stretch for spray painting. But then I guess it was a public building and a shop, so... and then also shoplifting, which is a bit more of a serious charge, so... I don't know. We'll play... If I play my cards right, I think I can get out. I did manage to smuggle a cell phone in here. I know that's not going to help at all, but I did manage to get 1 or 2 calls with some friends out of prison, try and organize things a bit better, and make my chances as, well, high as possible, getting out of here successfully. So, we've got guards traveling. Yeah, there's no way I'm getting out of this. I'm not even going to try. I think that my best shot is go in there, impress everyone, impress the judge, because that's who I've got to impress the most, and then fingers crossed we can get out. Okay, that's the last of the inmates, just walking them out in the rain. Kind of do feel bad for them. Anyways, we got to stay in the dry there, so looks like we're moving now, heading on our way to the courthouse. Not the nice day that I thought it would be. Sun shining, no, complete opposite. Dark skies, rain, pretty miserable. Looks like they've actually got us a small escort here today, which is, I guess, quite nice of them. Limited visibility out of this van, but it's nice, I guess, traveling beyond the 4 walls of the prison cell, seeing the outside world for the first time in a bit, and then we get to talk to my lawyer once we get there, so gonna talk with them, strategize a bit. It will not be a long court hearing, so we've only got a limited amount of time to impress everyone, because they've got to get through so many in a day. It's relatively quick, so there we go. Pulling up now. I do believe that's the courthouse over here. Oh, yeah, get me inside, please. This rain is absolutely going to destroy my orange jumpsuit there. There's my lawyer. They seem nicely prepared, which is good to see. So, well, fingers crossed we can have a fair trial here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Deputy. They're going to... I think I'm going to be detained. We're inside a room anyway, so there's no way I'm escaping. Okay, thank you. Alright, there we go. So, let's just take a seat here and we can have a couple minutes discussing with my lawyer. We're not going directly into the courthouse, or we're not going first at least, so I want to see how the other cases go. Couple of witnesses. Yeah, I told you already, like, witnesses... There's a whole thing about witnesses, they can't properly prove anything they saw, so... most likely going to spend some time in prison, but I can reduce it. Hey, I cannot go to prison. I told you on the phone, I cannot go to prison. I've got too many tasks to do. I've got jobs to fill. I've got money to pay. Look, I can't go to prison, right? Is there any way you can get me out of this sentence completely? Were you wearing a hoodie? Yeah, that's the problem. Some people did see my face. The CCTV didn't, but people did. So, it was a mistake. I should never have done this, but yeah, people saw my face. Yeah, exactly. You've got the whole thing of, you can't, people can't exactly make out what they saw in faces, and exactly. Yeah, okay. Alright, this should be good. So, what's our chances, do you think? What's our chances of getting out of here? 99%, that's optimistic. We'll give this our best shot. Okay, yeah, thank you. I think they're going to go and just inform the deputies that we're ready. They're going to cuff me, and we'll be waiting here. For our turn, basically. Alright, it's my time. Let's go and stand up here. Hands behind my back. There you go. We'll go and comply. Make the officer's life as easy as possible. You know, we're not going to... there you go. Thank you, thank you. Also, I think we're actually being brought down to the courtroom right now. I think they are ready for us. Alright, taking our seat there. Got my lawyer to my right. Yeah, there's our strong suit wearing a hoodie, so can't see my face. Not saying it was me. You can't see the person's face, therefore you've got nothing to prove it was me. Witnesses are probably our main issue here, but once we can bring down the witnesses, we've got a good case. Build matches the defendant. Yeah, well, an average height. Found fingerprints on a spray can. What? No. That wasn't on the case. Okay, they matched the defendant. No, 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 no. No. Yeah, recess. I want to break. When did they get this? Don't they have to display all the evidence up front? Oh, jeez. No. Okay, this is bad. Oh, my gosh. When? I had gloves on and everything. When? No way. No way. That must have been planted. That must have been planted. There's no way my fingerprints were on a spray can. That's such lazy work. 15-minute recess. Okay, alright. They're going to put me in cuffs and we're allowed to go back. There was no way they found my evidence. Alright, so we're going back to our meeting room here where we can discuss. Right, I want to discuss this. Thank you. Thank you, Deputy. Where'd they bring that from? There was no way at all that there was fingerprints. What? No, they can't bring this up, seriously. They can't bring it in, but... Okay. So essentially you're saying they can bring it in, new evidence in. You're screwed. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. Look, is there anything you can throw at them that can just change the outcome of this somehow? Because, yeah, I'm not going to prison again. I didn't leave my DNA. I can tell you that. I did not leave my DNA. If there's nothing you can do, I'm getting out of here. Because there's absolutely no way I'm just going to sit in here and... Look, all you have to say, when they come in, I'm going to smash this window, right? Give me something sharp. I will get you sent money, okay? I'm just going to get out of here. Sit down, or they're going to come in. Sit down, or they're going to come in and start questioning. All I want you to say, I need you to give me something. Do you have anything? A pocket knife? Probably, you can't bring those into the courthouse. Car keys. Give me your car keys. I can use those to try and penetrate the window. It's going to be armed, but I got to get out of here. A pen. Okay, I guess I can try that. I'm going to smash the window. I just need you to hold them off, okay? I can get you sent money after this. Once I get out of prison. Once I stay out of prison. I know this is not exactly a clever move, but it's all I've got at the moment, okay? On 3, I want you to smash the window, okay? You're going to then run over there. I'm going to push you over, okay? It's going to look like I broke out of here. It was none of your fault. You tried to hold me up as... I don't know, okay? I will pay. Thank you. Okay, jeez, that's a lot of glass. Okay, I got that in my hands. Okay. Yeah, they're after me. There is no way this is going to work. I thought this would. Come on. If I can get somewhere that they cannot reach me, then maybe this will work. But running in the rain with barely anything but like some cheap shoes on, this is not going to work, is it? Come on. Up this tower. Come on. Okay, that's really going to hurt my hands after, but just keep the adrenaline going, I guess. Oh, I can't get up there, can I? Okay, there's police. No, I cannot get up there. No, I cannot get up. Oh, my gosh. I had no choice. They weren't going to do anything about my case. There's nowhere to... I can't get up there. Even if I can climb over the edge, what am I going to do? Not like I can just jump off the other side. It's probably 50 feet in the air. Okay. We're coming down. I'm coming down. Okay. I did not get far. The courthouse is right there. Oh, my gosh. I should have gone a different... I don't know. I do not know. It wasn't going to work anyways. If I stayed in the courthouse, they had my DNA. There was no way I was getting out of there. Same thing if I ran. If I ran, they're going to find me anyways. Yeah, okay, I got it. Hands over head. Didn't dot my fingers. I've done this before. Not new. Maybe I should turn right? There's police outside anyways. There's no way I was getting out of there. They brought evidence in the middle of the case. There was no way I was getting out of there without a prison sentence. And my lawyer wanted me to go on a plea deal. I know it's the best they could give me, but... crimes like that, you shouldn't go to prison for. I just thought if I ran, it would give me a second chance. I could do something better than being held up in a prison cell for a year. Well, my lawyer's going to be waiting for me back inside. Pretty sure they're not going to be happy with me at all after all of that. There we go, back to the office I was in. Staying against the wall, yep. Do not move. Alright, we're not moving. I think the lawyer's been taken away, I'm not sure. They weren't involved in it. I told them what to do. They really shouldn't be taken in for that, but Again, I'm not sure if they're going to be able to give me the same lawyer this time if they allegedly help me escape. Pretty sure it's a early trip back to prison today. I don't think we're going to be going anywhere else. And then it's going to be an even longer sentence. And I'm pretty sure whatever lawyer's given to me, they can't get me out of this one.